All right, so welcome to New Leaf Exams YouTube channel, and I just wanted to make a very quick video about how to get your life and health insurance license. It's a very simple process. A lot of people think that it's difficult, and it's really not. Every state's a little bit different, but for the most part, they use the same process. So we'll just go ahead and get into it now, and we'll talk about the variations as we go along. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take and complete a licensing study course. You're going to do that for a couple of reasons. Number one, you need to study in order to pass your license exam. Okay, so you're taking an exam, definitely need to study. Another reason to take a licensing study course is that there are some states, there's a handful of them out there, that require that you take the licensing study course. It's part of the process to obtain your license. Most people choose to take their insurance pre-licensing course online. Most of them are online. That's exactly what our courses are. They're online courses. They're self-study courses. So just go to newleafexams.com and go ahead and enroll in a course. That way you can get your process started. All right. Typically in a licensing study course, a 70% score is required to pass the final exam within the course, which mirrors the state license exam. Okay. They're all pretty much set up the same way. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take and pass your state license exam. All right, so once you finish your study course, we do highly recommend that you take your license exam within a week of completing your study course. That way you retain the knowledge and education that you just, inquired. In most states, the license exam is provided by Pearson VUE, PSI, or Prometric. There's a couple of states that use a university to provide the license exam. One example would be Alabama. They use the University of Alabama to provide the license exam. But I can tell you, pretty much in all other states, it's going to be one of those three. If you're not sure who it is, you can contact us. Just go to newleafexams.com and we'll point you in the right direction. Typically, the license exam fees range anywhere from $30 to $100. Every state's going to be a little bit different. It's kind of a wide gap there. I don't know why that is, but again, every state's different. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to register for electronic fingerprinting. So most states, they're going to require that you submit fingerprints so they can do a background check. It's a very simple background check. All right. They typically use Identigo, FieldPrint. In some states, they do use the license exam provider themselves to go ahead and run the fingerprints. If you're not sure how to do that, just again, you can contact us and we'll point you in the right direction. All right. The final thing that you're going to do after you finish those three steps is you're going to submit your application. All right, so you've gone through your study course, you've passed your state license exam, you submitted fingerprints. Now you can just submit your application. Typically, that's done through NIPR, CIRCON, and in some states, you're going to go through the Department of Insurance. All right, again, if you have questions, just contact us. We'll point you in the right direction. All right, so just a quick summary of the steps to get your life and health insurance license. You're going to take a study course. You're going to pass your license exam. You're going to submit for fingerprints, and then you apply for your license. It's really just that simple, right? All the states are going to use this process for the most part. There might be small variations within the process, like, hey, you're going to submit fingerprints here, not here. You're going to apply for your license at this site, not this site. But it's actually very simple. If you have any questions, if you're confused, whatever you need, if you want to enroll in a course, go to newleafexams.com and we will definitely help you out. All right. Thanks for watching and good luck.